to my channel, the Baking Diva. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. Well, you might ask, Diva, what's that little black thing you have in front of you? I'm solo today without the cameraman, but I will put a still in the picture for you so you'll see what this is. But today I'm making a chaffle. Yes, it's the latest internet rage for those that are on low carb or keto diets. It's a way that you can make these little chaffles that will take the place of bread and will have 0 carbs in them. I've made them. I love them. They're delicious, and it's just, I guess I'm late to the party. It's a big internet craze right now. So let me start off in the beginning. If you're trying to eat low carb or you're on keto, this is perfect for keto. This is a tiny 4-inch waffle maker. Let me try to lift it up here. And like I said, I'm going to put a still in now so you'll see it. And this makes chaffles. Now, if you want to make a basic chaffle, you only need 2 ingredients. Now, the one I have here, the company is Dash. Yes, I bought it myself. This is not a sponsored video, but they're very inexpensive. You can get them on Amazon, I'm sure. I don't think they're probably more than $10, give or take a couple of dollars. I happened to see them, I think I was in, I don't know, TJ Maxx TJ Maxx once, and they had just a couple sitting on the shelf. You know, you never know when they get anything in, and one was white and one was pink, but I had already purchased mine. So anyway, I'll put the link down below if you're interested. But anyway, this makes, with 2 ingredients, a little chaffle. Now, they call it chaffle because it's a combination of cheese and then egg, just like a waffle, but a no-carb waffle. So I plugged this in for you. This is going to be a short video, and I want you to tell me in your comments if you would like me to make more for you, because there's so many different kinds you can make. I'm just making a basic one for you today. So you take your little mini waffle maker. It's non-stick, but you should spray it. So let me turn it around because my plug is down there and I couldn't get over any farther with it. I'm going to spray it with some non-stick spray. You plug it in and you wait for this little baby to heat up. Now while it's doing that, you take 1 egg and you scramble it just like this. Takes you a second, just like that. And then you can take some I have grated cheddar cheese here. Now, the egg with the cheddar cheese will give it that nice cheesy flavor, which is delicious. I mean, you can make 2 of these and use them as a hamburger bun. I mean, there's so many different things you can do with these. But a little tip is, if you want this to just taste basic, you don't want it to have that cheesy flavor, you can use shredded mozzarella cheese, because I can make dessert chaffles too, and you don't want them to taste cheesy. There's pizza chaffles you can make. Oh, they're so good. There's chocolate chaffles. There's peanut butter and chocolate chaffles. It goes on and on and on. Cinnabon chaffles. So like I said, if you're interested in seeing more recipes for me making these chaffles, or let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to show you more. But for now, we're just going to do our little basic one. So this is hot now. It lights up there when it's hot. Very hot, so watch your fingers. Now I'm going to take my egg, and a lot of times you don't have to put in the whole egg because you don't want it to overflow. But the secret is, you want your chaffle to be like a little crispy. Oh, it tastes so good. Put a little bit of cheese in first. So I'm going to just put in a little bit here of my shredded cheddar cheese, just like that. Then I'm going to take my egg. Depends on the size of your egg. You probably don't want to put the whole egg in. because you don't want it to overflow. So put some of your egg in on top of the cheese. It's a big egg. A lot of times it will make even 2 chaffles. Then take some more of your cheese and sprinkle it on the top. This is 100% keto. All right, here we go. Now I'm going to close it and let it sit for probably, I'm not sure, you got to test it, maybe 3 or 4 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, until it looks like bread, looks like a little mini waffle. They are so delicious. Imagine making 2 of these. You can use your cold cuts and put it inside and make yourself a sandwich. Oh, you can just eat them like this for breakfast. They're delicious. Oh, I can smell it. It smells so good. But anyway, they are delicious. And the dessert ones, ooh, I mean, how great is that? To make one, put berries on it, a little whipped cream, or make a chocolate one. There's just so many. I think the next one I'm going to make is going to be a pizza one with little pepperonis on it. Doesn't that sound good? So anyway, I'm going to let this stay for a second. And then I'm going to take it out. I'm going to show you what this chaffle looks like. Boy, I'll tell you, if you've never heard of them before, you don't know what you're missing. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. I just had to scoot over and get a dish. I forgot to get a dish. So let's see how this is doing. Aren't these sunflowers beautiful? I picked them up the other day in Trader Joe's. Oh, so pretty. I love sunflowers. So let me take a peek at this and see how it's doing. Oh, it's doing good. Just gonna leave it on another few seconds, and then I'll take it out and show you what this chaffle looks like. Don't deprive yourself of bread when you can have this, and it even tastes better. All right, gotta be very careful on this. I should be using a pot holder with your fingers. Oh, does that look good, baby? Mmm. Yeah, this is all done. So I'm going to take it out. Comes right out. Try to hold it up for you. I know without the cameraman I can't do a still, so I'll put it on the dish. And look at that. Now that is a chaffle. And I'll put a still in there for you. So I'm actually going to probably make myself another one because they're 0 carbs. Why not? So anyway, if you would like me to show you some other chaffle recipes, like I said before, let me know, and I'll be happy to do that. You know, I thought of even doing a series when my donut series is over on chaffles, but then I said, I don't know, let me find out what my subscribers like. Okay, and then close that up. Meanwhile, oh boy, I'm just going to taste a piece of this. Like I said, this is going to taste, and you could cook it even a little longer if you want it crispier. This is going to have the taste of the toasty cheddar cheese. But if we were making like a dessert one, we would use the shredded mozzarella because that's a bland flavor. Oh my gosh. So good. That toasted cheese on there is to die for. So anyway, I'm going to say thank you for tuning in. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, go down below, hit that red subscribe, and the little bell next to it. Shouldn't be eating with food in my mouth. And you'll be a subscriber. So whatever I have coming up next, you won't miss. I love my comments, and YouTube loves thumbs up. They promote your videos. So thank you everyone for watching. I really appreciate it. This one's not quite done yet. And I just wanted to tell you, I love each and every one of you. I'm going to get back to making my chaffles. Remember that word, chaffles. And if you hadn't heard of it, you've heard of it now. So I'll see you, I hope, very soon. Toodles! So good. Two thumbs up.